Hello everyone, welcome back to Top 10 Universe. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and exploring 6 lucrative ways you can leverage this technology to make money online. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about AI, there's something here for everyone. So, let's jump right in. In number 6, we have generate written AI content. Generating written content using AI tools like ChatGPT offers a multitude of opportunities for individuals and businesses. Whether you're a freelance writer looking to enhance productivity or a content creator seeking to scale your output, AI can assist in various ways. These tools can help with generating blog posts, website copy, sales content for businesses, and even sponsored social media posts. By leveraging AI, writers can overcome writer's block, brainstorm ideas more effectively, develop outlines, and generate entire pieces of content faster. Advanced AI platforms like Jasper.ai specialize in creating professional sales copy, including emails, marketing landing pages, advertisements, video scripts, ebooks, and more. Freelancers can capitalize on this by offering AI-generated content services to clients, thereby increasing their earning potential and clientele. In number 5, we have build websites. AI tools such as Wix ADI have revolutionized website creation, making it accessible to individuals without extensive technical knowledge. Entrepreneurs and freelancers can offer website building services to small businesses, startups, and individuals looking to establish an online presence. These websites can be monetized through various means, including affiliate marketing, ad placements, and subscription sales. By utilizing AI-powered templates and algorithms, website developers can streamline the design process, reduce development time, and cater to a broader range of clients. This scalability and efficiency contribute to increased profitability in the website creation business. In number 4, we have create AI-generated digital visual products. In the realm of digital marketing and branding, AI plays a pivotal role in creating visually appealing content. AI tools like AI empower businesses and marketers to generate digital visual products such as ads, logos, marketing materials, and pitch decks with ease. The ability to create professional commercials and social media content using AI not only saves time, but also ensures high-quality output. Platforms like Canva, equipped with AI-powered design tools, enable users to craft engaging graphics, videos, and presentations effortlessly. The demand for digital visual products in today's competitive market makes this a lucrative avenue for those skilled in leveraging AI for creative purposes. Before we continue with this list, if you like this video and want to see more content like this, like and subscribe, and comment down below that you have done so. In number 3, we have generate audio AI content. The rise of audio content consumption has opened doors for AI-powered solutions in content creation. AI can generate audio content through text-to-speech functions, making it valuable for audiobooks, podcasts, language translations in videos, and accessibility features such as converting text to audio for the visually impaired. Platforms like PlayHT, MurphAI, and Listener offer advanced AI voice generators that produce high-quality audio content. Additionally, AI tools can facilitate video content translation and subtitle addition, expanding the audience reach for content creators. Monetizing these services, whether through direct content creation or translation services, presents lucrative opportunities in the digital content landscape. In number 2, we have create online courses. Online education has experienced tremendous growth, especially with the integration of AI technologies. Creating and selling online courses, particularly those focused on AI-related topics, can be highly profitable. AI tools like ChatGPT can assist in brainstorming course ideas, developing course materials, generating scripts, and recording voiceovers. The global reach of online learning platforms allows course creators to target a vast audience and generate recurring revenue through course sales. Effective marketing strategies, coupled with user-friendly platforms, are key to maximizing the success and profitability of online courses. As the demand for skill-based learning continues to rise, AI-powered online courses remain a lucrative venture for educators and entrepreneurs alike. In number 1, we have create AI-generated art. The convergence of AI and art has sparked a new wave of creativity and monetization opportunities. AI-generated art created using tools like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Mid-Journey, encompasses a wide range of visual expressions. Artists can generate unique art pieces based on AI-generated prompts, which can be sold as NFTs on specialized marketplaces. The NFT boom has attracted collectors and enthusiasts, creating a thriving market for AI-generated art. Furthermore, artists can merchandise their AI-generated art by turning them into physical products such as t-shirts, wall art, and collectibles for sale. This fusion of technology and creativity not only expands artistic horizons, but also opens new revenue streams for artists and entrepreneurs in the digital art space. By exploring these methods in depth, individuals can gain a comprehensive understanding of how AI can be leveraged to create diverse income streams in today's digital economy. Each method offers unique advantages and monetization strategies, catering to a wide range of skills and interests in the AI-driven marketplace. And there you have it, the top 6 ways to make money online using AI. Whichever path you choose, remember that AI is a powerful tool that can unlock countless opportunities in the digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.